Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are here again for a weekly analysis video. So we are coming back to the channel after a long time. So I had exams and I am very happy to inform you guys that now we are SEBI certified. So I have passed the NISM exams for the equity derivatives module. So you can definitely get genuine content over here. So stay tuned, follow to this channel, share it with your friends. Most of the YouTube channels are not SEBI certified, so definitely in this channel you will get genuine information. And of course, I will start a learning series now, and definitely you can trust the modules that I will give, the classes that I will give, and you can definitely refer them to your friends. And so let's get started with the analysis video. So if you remember the last analysis video, we did it absolutely when the Nifty was here, and in the lowest point I told you that the market will not fall any further. The entire world was talking about crash, and I told you that the market will go up, but the market will go sideways. It will not be an aggressive buy. So you can see that for the 3 weeks the market has been going sideways, and just in the last week the market has shown some weakness. So the market as of now is a bit weak. If this level is crossed to the downside, there can be a fall, of course. But if this level holds, then the market can again stay sideways to uptrend only. And for Bank Nifty is weaker than Nifty, but I have did some calculations over here. So we can see that at this point of time, Bank Nifty is showing some signs of uh, being oversold, so it can go for a little bit pullback, so it can go up. It will not be an aggressive buying, it will be a sideways to uptrend. Okay, and I'm not expecting a continuous crash in Bank Nifty, but definitely Bank Nifty is weaker than Nifty. So again, stay cautious this week. The market can again fall, or the market can stay sideways. And of course, Bank Nifty is a bit oversold, so it can give a little bit of, you know, a small up rally. It will be just a profit booking by the ones who have done selling. They have pulled it from 42,000 to 39,000, 37,000. That's a huge downfall. So let's discuss the stocks. So I have three stocks for you this week, and I will discuss a previously given stock. So the first one is a good one, that is Arrow Green. So it belongs to an emerging sector, and the stock is in a very good position to buy now. So you can buy and hold for the long term. And again, this one also, Fin Cables. So I had given this to my private Telegram members a bit earlier, but since I came late on YouTube, I can give you this only now. So this stock also, it is looking good. You can wait for a little bit of correction and you can buy in for a long term to medium term as well, or you can buy it at this price also. You need to keep a stop loss over here. Always remember that we are not 100% sure about our analysis, so you have to keep a stop loss. That is, if the price falls below this level, you have to exit. And same for Arrow Green. If the price falls below this level, you have to exit. So similarly, I'll give uh, a reminder to you about this stock. I gave you this stock when it was nearly over here, and as of now, the stock is looking extremely good. It is preparing for a very big rally. So if you had missed it around the lower levels, you can definitely uh, you know increase your investment as of now. But again, keep your stop loss over here. That is 15.7 or something, so that if the stock falls, you have a less loss or you do not blow up your account. So that's it with the analysis video. Hope to meet you the next week. So thanks till then. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and Also spread my channel, share and like the video if you have enjoyed the watching my video. Come on, thank you.